And for the final major dollar pairs of the day, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. With USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see a break of structure with a swing high and a swing low. We've come up and we've liquidated this high within the overall impulse before seeing a switch bearish on the lower time frame, and we could see this supply zone hold push price further in towards the weak swing lows. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the switch bearish happened over here with a break of structure in towards the downside. Since then, we've had another break of structure in towards the downside. So this is my current swing high, and this is my current swing low. Looking at it from the 4-hour time frame, ideally I'd like to see this high get taken before we see a structure shift and start targeting the lows again. However, if we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, it's becoming a little bit unclear, as we've had a 1-hour break of structure here. So this is my swing low and this is my swing high. We've liquidated this high, which didn't quite cause that demand chain break follow through down in towards the lows. So therefore I'm eyeing up maybe this high here or this high here to see those downside continuation plays. Failing that, with the 4-hour trend, I would like to see that high get liquidated and then see a nice strong reversal from there. If we go on to USDJPY, we can see that we are still moving sideways. It's not really a pair I've been speaking about much over the past few weeks. I'm not looking to trade it with the risk of intervention. Moving swiftly on, USD CAD on the daily time frame, our daily break of structure with a swing high and a swing low. We've liquidated this high within the overall impulse before then seeing a nice strong sell-off. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that although we are technically bullish with a break of structure over here, we have seen a nice supply zone that's been pushing supply zone chain that's been pushing price in towards the downside. However, it has recently failed, and we have seen a change in order flow. This could be following the 4-hour trend, as I say, because we are technically swing bullish. We've come down, we've liquidated some of the lowest points of liquidity, and then we have then seen a shift bullish. However, I just don't really like these lows here. Everything's ascending, and nothing's been taken out. So USD CAD is slightly unclear for me on the 4-hour time frame. If the demand chain keeps holding, I'll be continuing to look for those upside continuations. But if we end up breaking the demand chain, I'm happy to look for those shorts to maybe target this low or even these lows over here.